too tired to do the normal intro, whatever. Samuel from Suffer and Live. Please suffer in silence. Today, it finally got here. Good, kick out of this. This is my Epiphone with a Les Paul body Widow guitar. I'm doing an unboxing. I have never done an unboxing before. Again, I'm really new to YouTube, but just 2 years ago when I was still bedbound and not able to move due to colitis, Lyme disease, long COVID, and doing IVIG and treatments, I was in quite a bit of medical debt, almost $15,000, and I was behind on a lot of bills. Since then, I've been able to get back on my feet, and I've been able to get hired at my new company of AXA and really build myself up to a point where I feel privileged and blessed that I was able to get a guitar. For many of you who might not know, I am somewhat of a musician, not professional or anything, but I just like to play for fun. I started off playing this dusty ass. Do the math to see how old I am. I switched to guitar. And for a long time, don't you dare say that I'm old, you young Gen Alpha.
I am not.
All right.
I am not Gen Alpha.
She's Gen Alpha.
I am 17.
Okay, I'm still young, no wrinkles yet.
Yep.
And I'm Nigerian.
Keyword.
You have wrinkles too. Shut up. This is my video. Shut up behind the camera. And this is 45. Anyways, I never thought I'd be in a position where, one, I'd even live long enough, and two, have the money to be able to afford to get myself a nice guitar. And I usually don't buy myself stuff. I mean, I get Walmart stuff, But here it is. I got this on GuitarCenter.com. Costs a lot of money. But here we go. All right. How much would it suck if I just
Scratch the paint?
Yeah. Probably cry. I haven't cried in a long time.
I asked for a refund. Say it was their fault.
It'll take like 4 to 6 months for them to do anything. They still wouldn't get back to me. All right. It's definitely guitar shaped.
Where's your saxophone?
That is not a saxophone.
I'm sorry, we got the wrong order.
That would actually be worth a lot more if it was a saxophone. I'd probably keep it. For guitar people out there, this is Gibson, not Epiphone. Gibson. Gibson is worth a lot than Epiphone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Gibson's like $2,000-$3,000. This was like $800. Yeah. You didn't hear that. This Gibson, okay, up here. Oh. All right. Oh, get my fat ass on the floor. Oh.
And it's a flute. Wow.
Wait, is there something important in here? What?
Huh?
Why are you filming the box?
Because you open your unboxing. I'm unboxing the box.
Over here.
The box is important.
So what happens when you get a free cameraman?
Free cameraman.
Oh wait, there is something in the box.
See, I told you. What if it's just more boxes?
Oh, no. All right.
This is a boost.
I can't sit like this. I'm too fat to sit like this. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this beautiful. Don't touch my audience. I hear you.
I didn't say anything.
Oh, this stuff is up as far as it goes, though. Oops. Oh. Hey, why is this hard? Oh my God. Oh my.
You can smell the fresh smell of instrument.
Look at this. Look at this. Get a nice view of this. This is a beautiful as hell. This is sexy. This is the Epiphone, the Les Paul body. I think it's the Custom Widow. There's gonna be some right out there to correct me. I'm probably wrong. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. So you're probably right. Let's just beat around that. But this is it. So guys out there, women too, I guess. Don't forget to give up on your dreams. Don't work hard. Quit. Be lazy. And you'll get things somehow anyways. For more, follow me on We Suffer in Silence and on IG Suffer and Live 737. I'm about to get me some nice chords. In the future, I am going to do some song covers because I can sing and I can play guitar. But y'all didn't know that. It's not just a sickness channel, man. Coming soon.